Oops, bag is full. Let's see how many teachable moments we have in here. This is a new one. This is the Me and My Mini Frog set. I didn't love the print settings on this. It's a little bit light, so in the bag. These ones all turned out pretty good. We just didn't get to the color change in time. Like, there wasn't enough mint on top of this one, and this one I think was supposed to be white. I was fighting with the extruder on these babies. This one's really bad. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, but you can see even on this one how the retraction settings just weren't working great. I did end up having to replace the extruder on the printer these were made on. And we have a slug. I was trying to prototype these, but it didn't turn out that great. A big reason I don't have these in my shop is because they take so long to print and the faster settings just didn't work out. Ugh. These mermaid dragons are so pretty, but again, I think we were having problems with the extruder. When you get real close, you can see all the little imperfections. I actually don't think there's anything wrong with this one. It was just a misprint. Same thing with this guy, some under extrusion. The color is amazing though. This one looks like it was under extruding. There's just a big old hole in its head. I found the spooky chest burster too. I'm gonna put this guy in. Ugh. I do have to say, I'm really impressed with the integrity of this Taco Bell bag.